48 hours, I will be in Mumbai. This is getting way more emotional than I thought. This is happening! I got to meet Imtiaz Ali sir today. Today is, what day is it today? 31st May. I am having some friends, my closest friends, over tomorrow to have like a send-off party thing. I was thinking so much on like what I should get. I finally ended up on like handwritten cards, and I'm now sitting at 11:45 and writing these. I procrastinated this so much. Like I got 10,000 journal stickers for like no absolute reason and kept doing this, but I'm finally like writing it. This is going to be bad. We're officially entering the last few days in Chennai. The last weekend I'm here. This is getting way more emotional than I thought. 3 days away from moving, and my Wi-Fi is missing. It was so stupid. When I tell you it's missing, it's gone. It's like not there. I spent the entire day today just doing this job, trying to get my Wi-Fi even like back, in the sense that like trying to make it appear again, trying to make my laptop read there's something called Wi-Fi in this world. So that's how moving's been going on. My laptop is giving me anxiety issues, but other than that, great. In 48 hours, I will be in Mumbai. Like, what? This is actually happening. Like, I'm actually moving and I'm going to live alone and I'm going to go to college in Mumbai and start my life there and live. Been so back and forth. The mood swings are crazy. One morning I'm like crying at 10:30 listening to Taylor Swift's Never Grow Up. And then like now I'm like, oh my god, I'm going, yeah. So it's weird, but this is happening. Not gonna lie though, the last night at home I was pretty sad. Like I got really emotional and I stayed up till like 2 because I couldn't sleep. But anyway, yeah, I woke up the next morning. We went to the airport. My best friend had come to send me off, and yeah, we got on the plane and I said bye bye to Chennai. And then we landed at Mumbai. And this time I was here to stay. Say hi.
Hi.
Day 2 in Bombay. We've been PG hunting for 2 days. Very tiring job. Nothing is good. If it's good, it's too far. If it's too far, it's too good. Something or the other keeps going like wrong. To keep us sane from all this PG hunting though, we did travel around the city. We visited the Chhatrapati Shivaji Museum, which was beautiful. And we also like watched a film. We randomly decided to watch a really old Shivaji Ganesan film, which was a very nice experience. Like I had so much fun. We also visited this beautiful church in Bandra, got to see the Sea Link on the way, and finally found a good PG. So yeah, I packed up all my bags again. We moved in there and spent that entire day setting it up, which was also a tiring process. Guys, guess what? We're in the PG. I did finally find one. I'll give you a little tour. Pretty much it, but the view is amazing. So yeah, this is my first night here. My parents are still in town, so it's not like my first alone night in Mumbai. I will be honest though, the reality is starting to hit in. Like, oh shit, we're living alone now. I have to like
wash my clothes and make food and think about all that shit is like really starting to get to me, and it's definitely scary. So like, will I actually thrive in the way I want to, or is this going to be a shitty ride and I'm going to be crying every night? We don't know. So that like fear is definitely there. Trying not to get like too overwhelmed by it all tonight. But yeah, this is scary but exciting. And the lighting is bomb. Let's go. Today we're just going for the campus tour, and this first night was fun. I got to meet Imtiaz Ali sir today. We had booked to watch Main Wapas Aaunga, the film, and I had no idea that he was coming there. And he did. He showed up, and I got to talk to him. It was crazy. I would say tomorrow is the first like official day of college, at least the way I see it, because tomorrow is orientation. So I think even that is not like official first day of college, but at least we're doing something tomorrow instead of just like walking around the place. My parents are leaving tomorrow night, so we will see how it goes. So yeah, my classes started the next day. This was my outfit, and my parents left that night, so I am now officially living alone in Mumbai.